Welcome to Sakaraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Aries, on 11th February 2025, Mercury will transit into Aquarius at 0 degrees, positioned in the 11th house of gains, networking, aspirations, and social influence. This transit occurs alongside Saturn and Sun, significantly impacting communication, financial growth, and intellectual engagement. The 11th house is associated with financial benefits, wish fulfillment, and large networks. Mercury's presence here increases opportunities for monetary growth, particularly through business, commissions, or intellectual pursuits. If involved in media, technology, trade, or communication based industries, this period can bring substantial recognition and profits. Saturn's presence ensures that while gains are possible, they require structured planning and disciplined efforts. This is not a time for quick success, but rather long term rewards through perseverance. Mercury's placement enhances persuasion skills, making interactions witty, intelligent, and impactful. This is a favorable period for public speaking, leadership roles, and networking with influential people. Sun conjunct Mercury forms Budh Aditya Yoga, improving intellect, leadership abilities, and strategic thinking. However, this combination can also make speech more direct, authoritative, and sometimes harsh, which may lead to ego clashes in professional or social settings. This is an excellent time to attend conferences, collaborate with powerful people, and build long term professional alliances. Saturn's slow and disciplined nature moderates Mercury's quick decision making, requiring patience and careful planning before making big financial moves. Group projects, teamwork, and long term investments will be more beneficial than short term risky ventures. Friendships and social interactions may feel slightly restricted or serious, as Saturn creates an atmosphere of responsibility and selectivity in associations. There are some challenges and things to watch out for, such as communication, which may become overly authoritative or rigid due to the Sun Mercury conjunction. It is important to be mindful of speech to avoid conflicts. Financial delays are possible, particularly in payments, bonuses, or investments. Patience and practical planning will be key. This transit may bring mental fatigue due to excessive thinking and strategizing. Practical meditation or journaling can help manage overthinking. There are some practical remedies for Mercury in Aquarius, such as offering green lentils or books to students to strengthen Mercury's benefic influence. Wear pastel green or sky blue clothing to harmonize Mercury's energy. Speak diplomatically and avoid unnecessary arguments, especially in professional or social settings. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to contact us through the WhatsApp number shown on your screen. See you in the next video.